So you've got a new computer and now you need Office. But which one do you buy? And what's the real difference between Office Home 2024 and a Microsoft 365 subscription? Well, guess what? I'm going to tell you now. Titles! There are a few ways to get Office on your shiny new computer, and today we are going to look at the 3 most common products you will see when shopping around. First, there's Microsoft 365 Personal and Family subscriptions, and then there's Office Home 2024 for PC and Mac. So by the end of this video, you should know exactly which one to go for, so let's get into it. Office Home 2024 for PC and Mac is Microsoft's current one-time purchase version of Office. You pay once, you own it forever, and you get classic apps like Word for your essay writing, CV making and newsletter needs, Excel for data and spreadsheets, PowerPoint for killer presentations, and Outlook for all things email. But the one thing to note here is this is a fixed product. This means you can use it whenever you need to on your PC and create whatever you need within the apps just mentioned. Getting all those security updates when they are available too, so everything is always secure. But because this is a fixed product, you will only have the features that were available when it released in 2024, and no new features will be added. Think of it like buying a DVD, if you remember these. No HD visual upgrades, and always the first cut of the movie with no added special effects or new scenes. If you want one of those, you'll probably need to buy the Director's Ultimate Super Cut in HD too. It does mean though that you buy it once, keep it forever and watch it whenever you want. But it never changes. Another thing here is Office Home 2024 for PC and Mac can only be used on the one device you have activated it on, so you need to be in front of your PC whenever you need to use it. This is great for those that want the classic functionality of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote and Outlook, and only use it occasionally when they sit down to create the thing they need to create in front of their one and only trusty computer. Microsoft 365 works differently. It's a subscription that gives you the same apps, but with a lot more added on that you can shout about, plus extra benefits. First is the fact that you always get the latest features, the newest updates, and access to new tools when they become available. Tools like Editor in Word for advanced grammar and style checks, allowing you to always create the perfect document with no errors. Or design suggestions in PowerPoint, where you can get inspiration and suggestions for your slides just by adding some content. Taking away that "how is this going to look" anxiety, just by adding what you want to include. There are so many more features available across all the apps, and with new features being added all the time, it's like having that director's cut for you to watch whenever a new cut is released, and without ever having to buy the whole movie again. Then there's the big one, OneDrive cloud storage. Store, share and access your files securely from any device with the 1 terabyte of cloud storage per user, meaning you can access any file at any time to work on, show off or even share with your friends and family using the power of the cloud. And this allows another feature available in Microsoft 365, real-time collaboration. This is the ability for multiple people to work on the same document simultaneously in Office apps, no matter where they are located. Changes are instantly visible to everyone, making teamwork and group projects much more efficient. Now there's 2 versions of Microsoft 365. The first is Personal, which gives you everything I've just mentioned and more. And then there's Microsoft 365 Family. This is the same core service as Personal, however you can also share your subscription with up to 5 other people, each getting their own apps and cloud storage. And the cool thing is whether you purchase Personal or Family, everyone on that subscription will be able to install the apps and use them on multiple devices. 5 devices each to be exact, and they can be PC, Mac, iOS or Android tablets, and even smartphones. And if you're not with your device, then all of your files can be backed up in OneDrive, accessed and edited online too via the browser of your choice by visiting office.com. Now, the biggest plus, in my opinion, are AI features like Copilot. Copilot is available in Microsoft 365 apps to the primary subscriber of any Microsoft 365 subscription, and can help you draft documents in Word, generate summaries, analyze data trends in Excel, and quickly build presentations in PowerPoint by suggesting layouts and content. If you want to know more on this, we have a whole other video for you to check out, so go ahead and click here. It's pretty cool. Notable mention here, Microsoft 365 subscribers also get access to premium templates across Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, which gives you thousands of pre-made templates for all manner of documents. So if you don't know how to create that budget spreadsheet for your next holiday, or just need help with a nice looking CV, just search for one and away you go. Right, so those are some of the differences. But which one will work if you use a Windows PC, if that's what you went for, or a Mac, if a fruit-based product is more your thing? Well, Office Home 2024 for PC and Mac is available on both platforms. Clue is in the title here. And the core experience is the same, but remember, you can only have it on the one device of your choice. On a Windows PC, you'll see deeper integration with the operating system and some features that arrive earlier than Mac. And on a Mac, the apps are designed to feel native to macOS, with Apple-style menus, shortcuts, and layouts. So you can have Office on whichever you choose. Pretty sweet, right? But the key point is this. Office Home 2024 is frozen in time on both platforms and will only be the version of Office that was released in the year stated. What you buy on day one is what you'll have for the life of the product. Microsoft 365, on the other hand, keeps evolving on both PC and Mac. New features roll out regularly and AI improvements continue to grow. So, if you want the most modern version of Office, Microsoft 365 is the way to get it. Now be sure to hit that subscribe button for any future content on what Microsoft 365 may have coming up, and hit that bell icon to see when it goes live. Added bonus time, if you are thinking, well, this is all well and good, but I have a Chromebook. Then never fear, Microsoft 365 gives you access to Office and OneDrive on there too, so choose that one. Personal, if it's just you, or family, if you want to share. Finally, let's quickly compare pricing. Office Home 2024 is a single upfront payment at the time of this recording of £119. You buy it once and you use it as long as you want. There are no ongoing fees, but you also don't get cloud storage, AI features, or new capabilities. Microsoft 365 is a monthly or yearly subscription. Pricing for this will depend on the subscription that you decide you need, with Microsoft 365 Personal, again, at the time of this recording, at $849 a month or $84.99 for the year. And Family is $1049 for a month and $104.99 for a year. You get cloud storage, AI tools, continuous updates, and the ability to use Office on multiple devices. And if you choose the family plan, you can share it with up to 5 other people. So which one should you choose? Well, choose Office Home 2024 if you want to pay once, you only need the basics, and you don't care about new features or cloud services. Or if you want the most up-to-date version of the apps with AI integration and cloud services are your thing, Microsoft 365 is what you want for the flexibility to use Office across all your devices. Both options are good no matter if you are on a Windows PC or Mac. So now you just got to decide which one is right for you. Thanks for watching, and if this has helped you decide, then hit like, subscribe, and maybe drop which one you chose and where you're using it in the comments below. I've been Matt, you've been watching Microsoft Expert Zone UK and I will check you all on the flip side. Peace!